I'm alive is just to worship you. From age to age, you never change. Chimo, when I call on you, ocean divine, until is a king of glory. When I think of all you've done for me, oh God, my words will be enough to say I'm grateful. When I look around and see the beauty you've done, my words will be enough to say you're wonderful. Lord, I would never forget how you raised me, God. I will never forget how you wiped my tears. I will never forget how you brought me through, until it's if not for your grace, I would have been lost and gone. The reason I'm alive is just to worship you. If not for your grace, I would have been lost and gone.